So jumping right into it, this is the bag that the hair came in. It is from Asteria Hair. And so right now I'm just going to show you what came inside. A wig cap, edge brush, edge melt thing. I'm going way too fast. But y'all see 22 inches 5x5 HD lace. So let's get into this brown chocolate colored wig. You guys see the lace, you guys see the bounce, you guys see the curls, the shine, the density. I love this wig fresh out the bag. You see I'm looking in my mirror trying to put it up to my skin, and it's just looking really good. I ran my fingers through it. It was no shedding. These are the knots. I decided maybe I'm going to bleach them because I can see just a little bit of, you know, I can see the knots. So I decided to bleach the knots. And when bleaching the knots, I use 1 scoop. Usually I use literally 1 scoop of powder, and the rest is developer. Again, you want to start off with something little just in case, because when you put too much you can't go back, so you just want to start off small just so that you can add. And then I'm just gonna, you know, put this on the lace and get those knots taken care of. So after washing the bleach out of the lace, this is how the hair is looking. And, you know, we're just gonna have to add in some more curls because, as you can see, it kind of, you know, took some of the curls away. But that's perfectly fine. I'm just trying to see how I want to style it. Do I want to middle part it? Do I want to side part it? What exactly do I want to do? And I decided just to go with an all reliable middle part. And now we're just going to install the closure. Installing a closure is very easy. It's easier than installing a frontal. I feel like all you do, I mean, you can pluck it if you'd like, but I prefer to just cut the lace, probably pluck it a little bit. And, you know, it's on your head. You don't have to customize it too much depending on the wig that you get. But right now I'm just hot combing the middle part down so that it can lay down flat. And then I'm going to cut the lace, add some baby hairs, and then we'll be done.